Good afternoon. My name is Tyler Fears. Today we'll be using some of the branching commands so that we can get some different outputs from some of the inputs that we create on WebTurtle. I'm going to start by showing the turtle so we can know where we're going to begin. And then we can move the turtle about 50 should be fine. And we can start one of our inputs off as if the input is less than 10, then we will use the color black, which shouldn't, I mean, it's the color that it's going to use regardless. And we will print no bueno. No. Get rid of the turtle after. And then for else, we can do the color purple and print muy bien. And we will end if. Now let's try putting in 12. 12 gives us muy bien, because it is more than 10, so that is the right outcome that we are looking for. And if we try 1, no bueno. So now let's show the turtle again, and let's try moving the turtle. Let's try moving him down more. Maybe we can 100. Yeah, 100 would be fine. And we will also move him at 90 degrees. And then, we'll move him again around 70. Just in case for like lengthier outputs. Then we will get rid of our turtle buddy. And then we will make a new branching for a second input. You will add the number for whichever input you will be using, and we'll put, if that is less than 10, then the color will be black as well, and we will print no gracias. And then if else, we will we'll use the color purple again and print gracias. Did it again. And we will end if. So we have our input of 12 and 2 after the end product of everything. And as you can see, for the first input, if you put in anything less than 10, then it will give you no bueno. But since we put in 12, we got a muy bien. And since we only put in 2 for our second input, we got a no gracias. And if we were to change that to a 22, we'll get a gracias. And that's what I have figured for branching with the web turtle. Hopefully I can play with it a little bit more and I can get it so that maybe nothing can show up, or a repeat step, if that's possible for this. But as of now, just learning, and this is what I have came up with so far. Hopefully I can apply it towards the challenge also. Thank you.